This is a standard service saddle with a conventional bolt. To install it, you simply assemble it to the water main, thread the bolt through, then torque it to the correct specifications. It sounds easy enough, but without using a torque wrench, there's no way of knowing whether you've tightened to the correct torque. As a result, saddles can be over-tightened, damaging the bolt, causing saddle failure, and in the worst case, cracking the pipe beneath it. That means more hours, more work, and a lot more money to fix it. Thankfully, we have the solution. This is the Titan Bolt, the latest innovation from Cambridge Brass. Constructed of durable bronze and an injection-molded torque limiter, the Titan Bolt provides a stronger, better connection to the correct torque every time. Simply thread the bolt through the saddle and tighten the connection using a standard wrench, a ratchet wrench, or an impact wrench. Once the correct torque is reached, the plastic bolt head breaks off, eliminating the possibility of over-torquing and making under or over-tightened saddles a thing of the past. With a Titan, your connection is tight, right, every time. Contact us today to order Cambridge Brass's service saddles, featuring the Titan Bolt.